Hey guys, Pema here. Now I'm here in beautiful, it's called Jenison Lhakar Gorshey video shoot. You know, right now we come here a little bit early, and then just because just chill and relax before we shoot. Right now, I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Let's go see. Let's go see how it's it. I am here with one and only this guy, Lao Mara.
Yeah, do
This guy,
subscribe, man. Do subscribe the Naga Sang channel. Do subscribe and like, share.
Special shot, man. This guy, espresso shot now. It's gonna go wild. Yeah. This guy, man. Anything else? Fire, man. So we are done with the most delicious cappuccino of Toronto. I personally really like cappuccino, but I'm a big fan of coffee. Big fan. I drink 5 times a day sometimes. So my eyes go like this. But the coffee is actually good for you. Coffee cleans up your organ, like such as liver. But not because of that, I just drink it. I don't. But make sure you guys drink water at the same time. But I love coffee. I can't live it. Especially summertime, ice coffee. But always drink black. Look at this guy. He's finished. Finished. This is not regular coffee, bro. This is espresso. Like he likes coffee too, so matching. Today feel like a cappuccino. Too much black, so mix it up. Mix it up. Mix your life. 徐景 fan 了，有呀，你这种话都打的有呀，跟你说那个呀。But make sure you guys drink water, stay hydrated when you drink coffee. But I love coffee. Coffee is my life. Coffee, Gorshey, camera, bro. Okay. This right now we're just walking here like before the shoot. So it's already 6, but we're just chilling here still. Song is gonna wait for the song, fire song. So right now we just hear graffiti, graffiti area. So it's all good. I'll show you some. Mandala dah. Kami nak so res salah kami bawa res. Kira. Pusuk sebuah ya, tak? Ya. Kalau bawa ya, tak. Ini siapa jual ni? Mahal. ठीक है
진짜 진짜 초신지에 마시라 빠도 얘기도 상거리다 게. 아, 세 잘라대.
Bayar ko.
낭사 실어내야 깨어라야.